removing the old wiper. It's beautiful when it's snowing, and this is just great. So let's lift this up, and looking at this way, this just comes out by pushing away or pulling downward. Just push downward and that comes off. Insert this, just simply lay this on top right here. Simply laying this on top, and we inserted it in there, and once it goes in, we just pull back and it snaps in. We'll cover this up and we slide the protection. For the Nissan Maxima, this takes a 17-inch and the other side takes a 26-inch. The original wiper is also a Goodyear Guardian wiper. Lift up on this right here, the side goes up, yes, the other side, and it will reveal the cover, and then there you go, you lift it up, and then you just push away from your side, so it comes off that way, and then once it comes off, you just take that out, and there you go. Inserted it in there, and once it goes in, you just pull back and it snaps in. We'll cover this up and to make sure that what we installed works. And here we go, and it works. Again, thank you very much for watching. If this has been very useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Like it, please, with the thumbs up below. Thank you.